If you've ever looked at your website and felt that it doesn't reflect the quality of your work, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs, consultants, and creative professionals struggle with this problem. Their business may be highly professional, but their website doesn't communicate that same level of expertise. In many cases, the issue isn't the business itself. The issue is the design structure of the website. A surprising number of website templates are built for speed rather than strategic presentation. They may technically function well, but visually, they can make a brand appear less established than it really is. There are a few common design patterns that tend to make websites feel inexpensive or unfinished. One of the biggest issues is cluttered layouts. When a website includes too many elements competing for attention, multiple fonts, crowded sections, or inconsistent spacing, it becomes difficult for visitors to understand what the brand actually offers. Clear visual hierarchy is essential. Another common issue is weak typography choices. Typography may seem like a small detail, but it has a significant influence on how professional a website feels. Refined typography, intentional spacing, and balanced layouts often create the impression of a much higher-end brand. Many basic templates also lack strong page structure. Visitors arrive on a website with a few simple questions in mind. They want to know what you do, who you work with, and why your work is valuable. When the layout doesn't guide them through those answers clearly, they may leave before fully understanding the business. This is why the design framework of a website matters so much. A strategically designed template already includes the visual hierarchy and layout structure needed to guide visitors through the site naturally. Instead of trying to assemble a website piece by piece, you're starting with a design that already supports a professional presentation. This is one reason platforms like Showit have become so popular among entrepreneurs and creative professionals. Showit allows businesses to use visually refined templates while still customizing the content and brand identity, but the template itself still matters. Luxury website templates tend to focus on simplicity, refined typography, balanced spacing, and editorial style layouts that feel more intentional and polished. Those design decisions can dramatically change how visitors perceive a brand within the first few seconds. That's exactly why we created our own collection of luxury Showit website templates designed for entrepreneurs, consultants, and creative professionals. Each template is built with a refined layout structure, so your brand immediately feels organized, elevated, and professional online. And if you prefer a completely done-for-you experience, we also offer white glove website customization. With that service, we take one of our luxury templates and customize the entire website for you. The template itself is included as part of the project, which means you receive a fully customized website built on a professionally designed foundation. For many entrepreneurs, the difference between a website that feels ordinary and one that feels premium often comes down to the design structure. When the layout is intentional and refined, the perception of the entire brand shifts. If you'd like to explore examples of luxury Showit website templates designed for entrepreneurs and creative professionals, you can browse our full collection through the link in description straight to our site. Your website should reflect the level of work you're known for, and with the right design foundation, that perception can change instantly.